Hello, everyone. This video is everything you need to know about Snapchat streaks. So, how to start a streak? First, open the camera and take a snap. Then, you can decorate your streak using stickers. You need to send and receive a snap every 24 hours to keep a streak. I send 2 streaks daily. This avoids the risk of me losing it. 1 in the morning and 1 before bedtime. At last, click on the blue arrow to send. So, how to never lose a streak? The easiest way to never lose a streak is to ensure that they are grouped together. To do this, it's best to place an emoji, an icon or 3A in front of their username. For my streaks, I have added a cute icon before their username, so that I can easily distinguish who I have streaks with. To find cool icons, check out the next video. This is what the emoji group method looks like. I personally use the A method for people I don't have streaks with. The next, streak hack, how to send to all streaks fast. Grouping your streaks makes it easy to send, but Snapchat also has a last snap button. Clicking on the last send button will send a snap to literally everyone you have recently snapped. How to get a lost streak back? Search Snapchat support in Google. And click on Contact Us. Select My Snap Streaks Disappeared, and fill out the form shown and submit it. Snapchat doesn't always restore streaks. In my experience, if your stake is longer, you have a better chance of having it restored. The streak emoji ideas. First, open Settings, and click on Manage. This is how my friend's emoji looks. The ideas and inspo. You can look on Pinterest for more ideas like this as well. Use these ideas to customize your friend's images. And the streak ideas. Here's an easy streak idea. So, that's all. I hope this video can give you something helpful. And be notices, chats don't count as a streak, so be sure to send an actual snap. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.